the ferry pier, and that is also the ferry pier in the Chau. That is the ferry pier. This is the cycle parking of the cycles. That is the welcome to pick. That is the welcome store. ये तरफ देखो जी, कमाल के हैं, अमेजिंग ट्रीज. Seaside walk. This tree you can see, beautiful, so beautiful. ये है जनाब बादाम का दरख्त, आलमंड ट्री. अभी फल नहीं लगा हुआ है. ये है इसके लीव्स. That is the bridge we will cross to this island. ये ब्रिज जनाब देखो, इस आइलैंड में क्रॉसिंग का. Opposite is the Discovery Bay. This two stone looks very nice. In the water is a big stone. The building is the Discovery Bay, and that is all the way going to Maibu. Very nice.